The art is a part of our family. It's become a major part of our lives for Danielle and I. Our daughters have learned to love the art and appreciate it, and it's become a major part of our relationship even with our friends. It's memories of places, it's memories of people, and it's memories of the stories of what the artist was trying to accomplish in the painting. So that day, May 25th last year, I phoned my daughter's cell phone, and she said, "Dad, there's a fire at the house." Fire trucks showed up on the roof, just went, and smoke burst out, and your heart just sinks. And you kind of know that this is getting pretty close to a lost cause. And somewhere, at some point, I phoned Economical, and they had an adjuster out here that evening to start helping us deal with the situation. The first thing, of course, is everybody's safe. The next thing is what's most important to you. And it was the art and the family photos. Economical knew the art was important to us, and we basically were saying, let's try to get it restored as much as possible. They hired professionals for that. They went to a local gallery called Teilson Gallery here in London. That was another thing that was really important to us, to be able to see it and to have a discussion with a professional who knew about restoration and cleaning. Going from the night of the fire thinking we had lost it all to 2 days later that a good part of it is going to be okay was incredible. And that piece we found face down in here. It's now hanging up in the stairway again, looking better than ever. Many of our friends have talked to us about our experience through the fire. Almost always they'll ask the question about the insurance. What I've always answered and tried to be just right off the bat is just tell them they've been great and the policy has performed exactly as it should. We're back in our house. We've been in for about 6 weeks. The house is essentially finished inside, and we love being back in the house. Now, each one of these paintings that have survived and been cleaned, restored, reframed, or whatever was necessary, they have a new story behind them all.